Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Claude Code just added another new feature and it is slash rewind. So if you just type slash rewind, then without losing the context, you will be able to see all of the previous history and you can back to that previous history checkpoint. And it is the official notification. Now in Claude Code, when you rewind a conversation using slash rewind, then Claude can summarize the part of the conversation that was rewound. So let's see it in a practical way. Here you see that I am currently inside my Claude code. By the way, if you are thinking that to use this Claude code you need a subscription, then you are totally wrong. So go to my channel and watch this video that you can run all of this Claude code, Codex, Droid and Open code for free with using the Olama model. So Olama have this Olama launch command, and if you type that and press enter, then you will get option to select the Claude, Codex, Droid or Open code. So please watch that video. This is the video, and you will be able to use this Claude code for free with local Olama models. And here you see that I asked one feature to implement in my personal website, that change background color hover effect in feature section for all of the boxes. So this is my website. Okay, and here I asked it to implement this feature. Now currently there is no hover effect background change for all of these boxes. Now as it has implemented this, now let me refresh it, and now here you see that there is a great hover background color effect. Okay, and so what is happening that I have done some changes, and now I will just use this slash rewind. So if I just write slash rewind, it is telling me restore the code or conversation to a previous point. Now if I just press enter, and here you see that restore the code or conversation to the point before. So this is my conversation that I did in my previous history. So now it is pointing to the current and it is the previous thing. Now I can use the up arrow key and down arrow key, and I can move between that. So there can be many history. All of the conversation that you did in the past, all of that will be appear here. Now you want to back to that conversation, so for that just press enter, and now here you see that it will give me some of the options like restore code and conversation, restore conservation conversation, restore code, and summarize from here, and never mind. Okay, so if I just press this summarize from here, then it will summarize all of these changes that we did for this change background color hover effect. So if I press enter, then you will see that summarizing, so it will summarize that. And here you see that conversation compacted, and it will tell you that in which file it actually did the changes, style.css and index.html. And this is the way that you can use this rewind. Okay, now if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also, because in this channel I generally publish this kind of videos daily. If you want to get that, like, share and subscribe this channel. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.